Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the Kaon spare wheel recovery board bracket. So it is a smart, lightweight way to mount recovery boards directly to your rear mounting spare wheel, making them super accessible and freeing up space both inside the car and on your roof racks for more accessories. It is designed to suit popular recovery boards like Maxtrax and TREDs, and because the bracket mounts directly to your spare wheel hub, it keeps your boards nice and secure, easy to reach and out of the way. The bracket features multiple holes and an offset design, giving you the ability to mount your Maxtrax above, below or either side of the spare wheel, really giving that freedom to find the right position to suit your setup. It's made from a lightweight and strong aluminium and finished in a textured matte black powder coat for corrosion resistance and durability in tough off-road and beach environments. And just like all Kaon products, they're Australian designed, made and owned. And that is the Kaon spare wheel recovery bracket. Clean fitment, easy access and a simple upgrade to ensure your recovery boards are ready wherever adventure takes you.